But we're gonna go ahead and start coming down. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in float mode. And that's bringing the loader control all the way forward. We're coming up without raising the front end of the tractor. And we can drop the bucket or pull the bucket back in. And if you'll notice, the only thing that's moving here is the loader itself. Now, we'll bring it down back flush to the level to the ground. I'm going to take it out of flush. I'm going to roll the bucket out, and you'll see the front of the tractor comes up.